Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have something super fun, watercolor paint, and we are going to compare the Crayola washable watercolors with this brand called Cra-Z-Art. Now, the Crayola does have 24 colors, whereas the Cra-Z-Art only has 21 colors. The Crayola was $5.50 and the Cra-Z-Art was just a little bit less at $4.99. They both come with a paintbrush and lots of different colors. Right off the bat, I'm actually liking this Cra-Z-Art because it's in this little hard plastic case, whereas the Crayola is just in this plastic tray. So let's go ahead and get these open so that we can compare them. So here we have this beautiful case, and I'm liking this. It's got the paintbrush along the side. When you open it, there are all the colors. Okay. And then the Crayola is in a plastic tray. So you have to kind of prop it open. And then you have 3 loose little trays. So you can take each tray out and then you store them in here. Okay. There are lots of similar colors. So we have, you know, pinks and reds, yellow. They both come with white and black. I couldn't find the sizing on each amount of paint for each one. This one I do believe has a little bit more paint. Now, because the lid keeps wanting to snap close, I'm going to take the little trays out to make it easier for us to paint with. Okay. And then there is the little red brush that actually says Crayola on it. Whereas with this one, we have a blue brush. The bristles are longer. So if I put them side by side, this one is more soft and puffy. This one is a little hard. Okay. And here are our colors. So let's move the water out of the way. There's our colors. So the Crayola ones do look a little bit more vibrant when you're comparing the pinks and the blues. So what we're going to do is just take some paper, and I have 2 cups of water, and we're just going to find similar colors. So I'm thinking this blue, and we'll see which one comes out a prettier color. So let's move these out of the way for now, and we will grab a piece of paper. I do have a few because I don't want the water to drip through. Let's start with the bright blue Crayola. Add some water. Oh, look at how it's changing colors. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is very, very vibrant. Oh, a little bit more water. Oh, I quite like that. And now let's try a similar shade in the cheaper one. Okay. So it is pretty similar. The brush is actually a bit better on this one. So this was our Crayola and this was our Easy Art. So for the vibrant blue, they're both similar. I am quite impressed. Now let's try a dark green. So we'll move this out of the way, clean our brush, and get a nice dark green for the Crayola. Oh, and it comes out really light. Okay. Now that the brush has softened up, it is painting a little bit better. Now let's find a nice similar green in this one. I love watercolors. Very similar. Wow. And we'll do one more. Let's do a pink. So let's go into our pastels. This I'm loving with the Crayola. You do have pastels, whereas with the Easy Art, they are darker colors. So let's do this pink. That's a pretty pink. That is a really pretty pink. And we'll go over here to our Easy Art, our Crazy Art. And that one is a different pink. Pink is not coming out as nice. Maybe it just needs a bit more paint. Okay, there it goes. I didn't put enough water. There it is. Okay. All right, well, now that we've painted with the two of them, I am gonna have to say they are equal. For 50 cents, I would probably go with the Cra-Z-Art one. Even though there are less colors, I am really liking the tray. And once all your water paint is gone, once your water paint is gone, you can actually use this as a mixing tray for your acrylic paint as you're mixing. And when you're done, there's no mess. Whereas with the Crayola, you still have to take your trays that are now wet and put them back into this thing, which is okay, but trying to line them up without spilling if you've used all the colors is going to be a bit of a mess. So for me, the winner is the Cra-Z-Art Washable 21 Colors. I did get this at Samco. I did look up this brand online. I haven't seen this before, and it is pretty much available everywhere at Staples and Michael's and different craft stores. And apparently they have pencil, crayons, glue, all kinds of things. I would give this one a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. The colors are pretty equal. I would save the money unless you truly need one of these pastels just for the case alone. And I do like the stiffer brush. However, if you are doing watercolor, you might want to use some other brushes. These are good for painting stripes, but if you're painting anything that needs detail or blending, I would go with a higher quality brush. That's it for now, guys. I will see you next time. Bye!